Each April, we are reminded to take care of our planet on Earth Day. At the Center for Urban and Native Wildlife at Scottsdale Community College, every day is an opportunity to get involved in the ecology and conservation of our Sonoran Desert. Ruben Veloz has the story.
A menagerie, yes. We collect a little bit of everything.
Chelsea Hall is a greenhouse manager for the Center for Native and Urban Wildlife, known as CNU. She spends a lot of time learning about our native plants, some of which are grown right here at this greenhouse at Scottsdale Community College.
You'll see a lot of cactus and succulents because they're really drought tolerant. They can take our horribly dry environment through the summer and not need a lot of water input.
The National Park Service estimates there are more than 2,000 species of plants growing in the Sonoran Desert, some of which came from other parts of the world.
We do a little bit of everything. We grow lots of different herbs and beans and peas.
Chelsea says many other students like to visit the greenhouse to work on their undergraduate studies and because it's a great way to get involved.
A lot of the biology lab departments get to come in here and get hands-on experience growing plants from seeds and from cuttings and getting to know some of their native plants and how plants grow.
Here, you will find several species of exotic plants, including this one that almost looks like a hybrid. Holding it is biology professor John Wesser. He helped build this greenhouse as a way to get students involved in ecology and conservation.
We've had 14,000 fourth graders come on campus and do our tour with our education program. So we've been very proud of that, and we've done several restoration programs or projects over the years as well.
I like the ones that are really colorful and bright.
Hohokam Elementary School student Travis Martinez tells me he loves exploring SEC's greenhouse every time he gets a chance to visit.
I like looking at this kind of stuff because it's really cool to watch all the like cool designs on it and everything.
They've got some euphorbias, the night blooming cactus, which are amazing.
First-time visitor and Scottsdale resident Carol Rothschild says she was impressed by the diversity of plants she found at this greenhouse.
Anybody who's going to preserve them and promote their propagation and use, I think, is wonderful.
CNU also helps students get involved by helping them find internships, some of which have ended up working for companies like the Arizona Game and Fish Department and the U.S. Bureau of Land Management.
It's a great way for students to actually get paid to get out in the field and work with professionals and learn, identification skills.
And even if you're not a biology student, anyone can get involved with CNU and its greenhouse.
We had one student that ended up doing a lot of the photography and artistry for a biology book, because she knew the background.
Chelsea says it's a great experience for someone wanting to learn more about the diverse nature of this desert oasis we call home.
I absolutely loved it. I learned so much. I learned more than I even knew there was to learn about the Sonoran Desert.
For Maricopa Now, I'm Ruben Veloz.